Hi, I'm Brett Featherston with Evanesce, and I'm excited to share our story with you. Our story began as a solution to the crisis we are experiencing with packaging. Less than 6% of American plastic is recycled. In a report by Beyond Plastics in Smithsonian Magazine, they reported that at least 85% of U.S. plastic waste ended up in landfills in 2021, and some ended up in the ocean. They said, and I quote, "This should be a wake-up call to the false promise that plastic recycling is a credible solution to plastic waste and pollution." Plastic in EPS, expanded polystyrene, or foam, takes approximately 500 years to decompose, and EPS foam alone makes up around 30% of the volume of landfills. Most of us are aware that we have a problem, and at Evanesce, we think we have the solution. Introducing Evanesce's proprietary molded starch. The main ingredient is upcycled starch, which happens to be one of the largest waste products in food processing. It's a low-cost alternative to EPS foam, and it's very eco-friendly. Evanesce's molded starch will decompose in weeks with no chemicals or microplastics left behind, because none of those were ever in the product. It's a plant-based, cost-effective alternative to plastic or foam packaging. The global food packaging market is almost a $1 trillion industry, and green alternatives have only scratched the surface of this market. The upside potential for Evanesce's molded starch technology is significant, from meat processors and supermarkets to restaurants and medical packaging. Molded starch can provide a truly eco-friendly alternative to plastics and foam. Evanesce's molded starch technology is patent protected and PFAS free. While there are multiple applications to this technology, it's important, related to food packaging, to point out that it is food, microwave, and oven safe. Our unique proprietary production process also provides flexibility on the inputs of fiber and starch raw materials. And at Evanesce, we are happy to say that all of our products are made in the USA. The Evanesce team, led by Douglas Horn, founder and CEO, has extensive experience in product marketing, sales, and manufacturing. The Evanesce business model has 3 categories. The first is sole manufacturing of molded starch and other eco-friendly products like straws. The second is through joint ventures, where we work with partners to expand our molded starch products into specific regions. And the third is the licensing of Evanesce's molded starch technology. In summary, Evanesce's molded starch technology is positioned to be a complete solution to replace both single-use plastics and styrofoam. It is proven technology that is truly compostable and eco-friendly, with high growth and ready to scale.